Here we are, just in Rotterdam Central station. Big TV, beautiful building. Got the pop-up piano there with some random punters playing music, which is nice. Just thought we'd talk about the bike and the extreme touring setup that I've got here. Bought it for $200 off Gumtree with the advice of Casey Cobbs. Big thanks, Casey. Also, Casey helped us fit it out with this rack and a drink bottle holder and a beer can holder. The other thing we have is a Dutch edition horn, very important. That's to warn the punters you're coming. Also got my bag strapped on with a couple of straps and then a big elastic band tying the dry bag on. In the dry bag we've got a tent, mattress, what else in there? Sleeping bag, shampoo, dirty clothes, and holding that on we also have a bit of jelly rubber left over from the Avon campaign with the all-important carabiner. Can't have too many carabiners. Also had to extend the mud flap. That's what we've got here. That's done with a bit of cardboard and red gaffer tape. Also got a light, important, duct taped on. Pump, spanner, just in case you need a spanner. Also have a little screwdriver and Allen key ratchet set. Lock, all important lock. And spare tape, of course. What else? Spare tyre, puncture kit. And that's it really. That's the Gumtree special of 2016. And that's all you need. Toodaloo!